Both of us are described as Prakriti, not Purusha. Purusha is Krishna. Therefore, Arjuna, when he realized after reading Bhagavad Gita, he addresses Krishna as Purusha, Parabrahma Parangdhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan. Purusha, Shasata. You are not that you have become Purusha now, but Shasata, eternal. It's like here, we are Purusha. This birth I am Purusha. Next birth I may become Sri or Prakriti. If I am too much fond of woman, and at the time of death, if I think of woman, then I get woman's body. Jang jangavapi saran bhavang tajattante kalevaram. Therefore, too much attachment for woman is not good. Because, or too much attachment for anything in this material world, that is doomed. Therefore, here it is said, Hridaya Granthi Bhedanam. Hridaya Granthi Bhedanam. My attachment, my heart attraction is so strong, it is like Granthi, knot. So, Atmadarshanam means Hridaya Granthi Bhedanam, opening the knot. Hridaya Granthi Bhedanam. That is Atmadarshanam. When I become free from all attachment of this material world, that is called Hridaya Granthi Bhedanam. And how the Hridaya Granthi, knot in the heart, begins. That begins, Pungsang Striyami Thuni Bhavametat Tayor Mitha Hridaya Granthi Mahu. Here in this material world, it is going on. Pungsang, the man, and Striyam, of the woman, attachment. Pungsang Striya Mithuni. What is that attachment? Sex. Sex. Pungsang Striya Mithuni Bhavametat Tayor. The desire is there. And as soon as they unite, by marriage or by agreement, by any way, then Hridaya Granthi Mahu. Then the attachment becomes more and more. There are thousands and millions of women, but the woman with whom I have got my bodily relation, I cannot forget her. And she cannot forget me. Hridaya Granthi Mahu. The attachment increases. And as soon as they are united, there is Hridaya Granthi, knot between heart to heart. You my dear, you my heart. So, then we must find out an apartment. Now there is no need of apartment. And as soon as there is Hridaya Granthi, there is need of Atagriha Chetra Sutapta Vittai Janasya Mohoyam Ahangamameti. This Hridaya Granthi increases, develops. Now there is need of apartment, griha. Now there is need of land for getting food grains. Now they have got service. Go to the office 50 miles away and you get your food grains. Formerly this was not possible. Therefore one must possess some land to produce food grains. Now if you can get some money, you can purchase 8 rupees kilo of food grains. That is possible. But formerly that was not possible. Formerly you must have land. Parjannat anna sambhava. Annat bhavanti bhutani. You have to produce. People are not interested now producing food grains. They somehow or other, if they can get that paper currency, they can purchase. Therefore, everyone has got this printed paper. The value is increasing. Competition. I can pay 2 rupees kilo. The others say, no, I can pay 3 rupees. What is this rupees? This paper. You, somewhere or other, you gather this paper and there will be competition and the price will increase. This is the economy. Because they have got false money, therefore there is false increment of price. Bad money. Gresham's theory. Bad money drives away good money. As soon as there is bad money, this paper currency, the coin, gold coins and silver coins, they are finished. They are no more. So, Hridaya Granthi, how we are becoming tied up between so-called one hut to another. Atha griha, first of all attachment for man and woman, then attachment for the apartment, griha, then land, griha, kshetra, then suta, children, then apta, friends, society, friendship, love, suta, apta, then vitta, money. In this way, we increase the knot one after another. 1 knot, 2 knot, 3 knot, 4 knot, it is going on. And self-realization means opening the knots. Opening the knots. The knots began like that. Janassamohoyam ahangamameti. And here it is said, Hridaya Granthi Vedanam. Vedanam means separate them. Separate them. That is self-realization. Self-realization means that I am spirit soul. Aham Brahmasmi. Soham. I am as good as the Supreme Spirit, Krishna. Somewhere or other, I am now in contact with this material attachment. This is called Atma Darshan. And that is clearly explained. Atma Darshan means Hridaya Granthi Vedanam. Atma Darshanam does not mean Hridaya Granthi Vriddhi or increasing. Therefore, real Atma Darshan, real liberation, real consciousness is separation from this material attachment. Voluntarily, forcefully, or by knowledge, that is required. Therefore, you will find India, Vedic civilization, is meant for this unknotting, the Hridaya Granthi. Therefore, sannyas is compulsory. Vanaprastha is compulsory. If you really follow Vedic principle, you become student, brahmachari. You learn everything. What is this life? What is this world? What is Krishna? What is God? What is your relationship with Him? These studies. That is complete study. But still, if you want to be knotted by Hridaya Granthi, grihastha, a concession, all right. Pungsang sriyam mithun, that concession is for sex life. Grihastha life is a concession given for enjoying sex life. Otherwise there is no need of grihastha life. Therefore there were many brahmacharis, akhanda brahmacharis, never married in life. Many, but that is not possible at the point. But there is training. The brahmachari is taught that this is the position. Don't be knotted with this material world. But still, if he cannot do that, then with the permission of the spiritual master, he accepts wife. That is grihastha life. But that also not for many years, say for 25 years. Up to 25 years you remain a student, brahmachari, then you accept one wife according to religious ritualistic ceremony, but no illicit sex. That is not allowed. Bachelor daddy is not allowed. That is very dangerous. So, kamam, dharma aviruddha kamam, aham asmi, Krishna said. Even without wife and everything, then you take sannyas. That is the stage of Hridaya Granthi Vedanam. Hridaya Granthi Vedanam. Not that after the last point of death you are attached with family and wife and children. That is animal life. That is not human life. Human life, you must try to unknot this Hridaya Granthi, man and woman. Hridaya Granthi Vedanam. That is self-realization. So, the Sankhya philosophy described by Kapil Dev is very scientifically described. And if we try to assimilate it, then our life will be successful. Thank you very much.